Crisis may be lurking around the corner. Advanced preparation is the key. When an emergency comes, comprehensive emergency living supplies are vital. YRF Textile Emergency Living Kit, covering toiletries, cutlery, slippers, towels, hangers, basins, buckets, etc., provides a strong support for emergency rescue, military operations, and medical aid scenarios. Excellent quality, practical, and durable. Toiletries are clean and efficient. Tableware is safe and reliable. Slippers are comfortable and lightweight. Towels are soft and absorbent. Hangers are sturdy, and basin and bucket are strong and large capacity, designed to be easy to carry and store, ready for emergencies. We are YRF Textile Co. Ltd., a professional factory in China, a one-stop emergency product package. We are committed to providing high-quality emergency living kits for emergency rescue, military, medical, UN donation, government reserve, Red Cross, camps, dormitories. Choose us, reliable and safe choice.